Most companies have core values like integrity, respect, or teamwork, but let's be honest, for many, they're just words on a wall. If your values don't shape how your team hires, works, and makes decisions, they're not values, they're decoration. Your company's core values should be a living part of your culture. They should guide how people show up every day and hold everyone accountable, from leadership to new hires. Start by getting real about what your company actually stands for, not what sounds good on a poster. Keep it authentic, make it visible, and repeat it until it becomes second nature. At Trainual, we believe your core values shouldn't just describe your culture, they should drive it. That's why documenting them inside Trainual makes sure every employee knows what matters most, how to live it, and how to stay aligned as you grow. Because when your team lives your values, everything, hiring, engagement, and performance, gets stronger. If you're ready to make your core values actually mean something, click the link below to start building a culture that lives what it believes.